So first of all, I'm gonna start with Skin Elixir. It's by Flower Beauty. A few drops, that's it. And I'm gonna mix it with Dermacol. I'm not using foundation. Dermacol is the best for me right now. So I'm just gonna mix it and apply it all over my face. And I apply it all over my neck, behind my neck, and the areas which are exposed. Not exposed exactly, but you know what I mean, right? So I'm just gonna paint my face with this concealer brush and pour it out evenly. And after doing this thing, after it's like painted out evenly, I use a damp beauty blender because it works for me. And feel free, girls, feel however or whatever is convenient for you. But for me, this works the best. By the way, links to the products will be in the description box down below. Just buff out my cheekbones with the powder blush. Just a little bit, has to be a little bit lighter. And then I use a little bit darker shade just to give it a color, just to add the color. That's it. Doing your eyebrows with the soap, I swear, is the best thing ever. Trust me. Yes. So now I'm gonna use a tint of peachy shade over my eyelid. So don't ask me why I use concealer like on my lips. It just works for me. Trust me, it does work for me. Try it and you'll see the difference. It works in each and every way. Either matte or creamy or just lip liner. It just works. So the last thing I'll be using the setting spray has to be the setting spray because I want this dewy look. And it just happens to keep my makeup intact, fresh, looks dewy and looks glowy and looks fresh as a flower.